So you want to sync Google Sheets rows to records in ServiceNow. But how will you do it? That's where Automate.io comes in. It's a simple tool to connect your favorite web apps like ServiceNow, Google Sheets, and hundreds more. To begin, visit this page, click on our use case box, and click on the Try Now button. On the Add Account screen, you will add your Google Sheets and ServiceNow accounts to Automate.io. Authorize these apps by clicking on the Add button and entering your credentials. We always keep your data secure, bank-level encryption, and we are GDPR compliant. After successfully authenticating your apps, you will land on the Configure page. On this page, you will configure the specific data that you want to transfer from Google Sheets to ServiceNow. Let's first focus on Google Sheets, which is our trigger app. This tells us when we want our automation to begin. And remember, you can change these triggers right here for different use cases, depending on your need. For this automation to work, you need to fill in the right values in the required input fields. For Google Sheets, these input fields are Spreadsheet. Here, you will select your corresponding spreadsheet in Google Sheets. And next is Worksheet. Here, you will select the worksheet from the spreadsheet selected above. And now, moving over to ServiceNow, this is our Action app, which tells us what the desired end result we would like from our automation. For this automation to work, again, we will need to fill in the right value in the required input field for ServiceNow. And this field is Table Name. Select the name of your ServiceNow table from the drop-down menu here. To proceed to the next stage, click on Done. In this stage, you will test your newly created automation, which we will call a bot. The purpose of this step is to double-check whether our bot works the way we would like it to or not. We can do this by entering sample data or by entering a new row in our Google Sheets document. I will show you how to test by adding a new row. Now move back to the dashboard of Automate.io and click I'm done. And always remember, when you save your bot successfully, Automate.io will create a new record in ServiceNow. So if you'd like to try out this automation right away, click on the link in the description below. Questions? We're available 24/5 on our in-app chat, or you can email us directly on help@automate.io. Thanks again for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to us for more useful videos just like this.